I see my body as inherently beautiful and a source of profound pleasure. I see myself receiving deeply fulfilling and joyful sex life. I see my desires as valid, healthy, and integral to my well-being. I see my boundaries clearly and honor them with confidence and respect. I see communication about my needs as an act of self-love and intimacy. I see my sexual energy as a powerful and positive force in my life. I see myself embracing positive curiosity, pleasure, and inspiration without shame. I see myself attracting and engaging in respectful, healthy, and consensual relationships. I see my journey of self-discovery and sexual health as continuous and evolving. I see my whole self, mind, body, and spirit as perfectly worthy of love and pleasure. I trust my ability to define and experience pleasure on my own terms. I see myself receiving gentle touch, loving connection, and authentic intimacy. I see myself embracing my sexuality with patience, kindness, and understanding. I see my commitment to nourishing my sexual health through self-care and positive choices, and this delights me. I see my body as a safe sanctuary that receives gentle care and deep respect. I see all my emotions, including vulnerability, as valid parts of me. I see my ability to feel pleasure growing stronger each day. I see myself communicating my needs and desires with absolute clarity and confidence. I see my sexuality as inherently good, whole, and constantly evolving. I see my future relationships with self and others as deeply healthy, loving, and consensual. I see my relationship as a safe and vibrant space for emotion and sexual expression. I see my partner and myself growing closer through honest, loving communication. I see our desires aligning through mutual respect, trust, and enthusiastic consent. I see our shared intimacy as a source of profound joy, healing, and connection. I see my partner as attracted to and delighted by the authentic person I am. I see us celebrating our differences and meeting each other's needs with care. I see myself being fully present and mindfully engaged during intimate moments. I see our sexual aspirations bringing us closer and deepening our bond. I see us both prioritizing our pleasure, knowing we deserve mutual satisfaction. I see all my emotions, confidence. I see my sexuality as inherently good, whole and constantly evolving. I see my future relationships with self and others as deeply healthy, loving, and consensual.